You run the forklift. This is what I gotta deal with. I need to have a couple beers before I do these. That's what I need to do. Hey everybody, Dan from Big Boys Toys here again. Today we're gonna go over our Massey 4707 tractor. This is a great size utility tractor. You get a lot of bang for your buck. It's a good heavy tractor for 70 horse. You know, by the time you get a loader and weights on there, you're about 10,000 pounds. Makes for a lot of machine there to get your work done. It's probably our favorite tractor to sell here at Big Boys. Very reliable tractor. It's nice being in that 75 max horse, 70 rated horse. We stay away from the complicated emission stuff, so we don't have a DPF burn off, and we don't use AdBlue, so there's no after treatment. It's kind of as base as you can get for a tractor here in 2025. This tractor is equipped with the heavy duty FL 3522 loader. You can get an X series loader, say, or a mechanical self-leveling FL series loader, heavy one. This one has the Euro style ALO quick attach. We like to get that on our heavier tractors. It's a little more robust than skid steer quick attach, but skid steer quick attach is an option as well. So this is a 75 horse max horsepower, a 70 rated horsepower engine, 3.3 AGCO 3-cylinder engine. It is turboed. So under the hood here, we've got our air cleaner, oil, transmission, fuel coolers, battery, nice easy access. We've got our fuel filters back here. So pretty easy, pretty well protected back there. So as we come around the other side here, we can find our engine oil filter back behind the loader mount. We've got our engine oil fill and check the yellow plugs there on the side. So pretty good access service-wise. You get into servicing, we usually turn our wheels one way or the other. Allows the tech to get in there, get your oils and oil and fuel filters changed. This is a quick attach loader on here as well. We've got our stands just like our smaller tractors, so we can pull our stands down and pull our quick pins on the loader, which are spring loaded, and actually they lock back in automatically when you're in the tractor and you drive back up to the loader. Quick connects on the valve, so you can pull that off if you want to do some hay without having that loader on the front. As we get around, this is a deluxe cab, so our global series from 70 to 130 horse. We've got a deluxe cab on that tractor. We've got some fender extensions to help cover up the wheels and tires so we don't get dirt and mud and spray all over the cab. Also, that'll give us an air ride seat inside the tractor. So air ride swivel, so as you turn around to watch your implements, it helps get a little bit of that crook out of your back while you're doing it. This tractor also has the Visio roof, so we've got an extra panel in the roof. When you're doing that high raising with a loader, stacking round bales, something like that, you don't have to crouch down and look under the front of the cab. Just makes it pretty nice. We've also got external fender controls here. This is a big plus for guys, you know, if you've had to hook up implements with a cab tractor, you know it's nice. You get backed up as close as you can, even though you've got your external links that move and your adjustable arms. It's nice to be able to turn that 3-point hitch on, raise and lower without getting back into the cab. And we have that on both sides. So both sides of the tractor, you can move that up and down. This 4700s also come standard with a 540 and 540 economy PTO. You do have optional on a 4710, a 540 and 1000, but most everything is going to be this 540, 540E. And we shift that right back here. And that just allows you to get your 540 PTO speed at a little lower engine RPM. It helps you save some fuel. There's our PTO right under that cover. And that is a bolt-on stub shaft, so if you had 1,000 RPM option, you can just unbolt that PTO, bolt your 21 spline 1000 on there. You're not having to drive it up on a hill, worry about losing oil, anything like that. So another nice thing about these Global Series tractors, we got our Trello board radial tires on there. So that helps with tire wear, helps with drivability of the tractor. It's not gonna bounce around so much on you. All our 4700s, we get in with a set of rear wheel weights. So we've got 3 stackable weights on the back, helps keep the back end planted, helps it ride a little better. To that aspect as well, our loader, when you get these nicer heavy duty FL series loaders, these do come with a soft ride on the loader. So that'll help cushion the loader as you're driving on the road or driving through the field with a round bell or something on there too. So here we've got our toolbox. Nice, easy to get to. You're not climbing up, it's not buried underneath. You keep some tools in there. If you had 1,000 shafts, you could slide that right in there as well. It's decent size, so you can actually keep some tools in there, unlike a lot of tractors. As we get closer to our cab here, we do have a instructor seat, as we like to say. This is nice. It folds up out of the way, so you can get in and out, or you just give it a pull up and twist it. Makes a nice little seat. That does have your seat belt to go with it as well. So another, a couple things we've got in our cab here. Tilt steering wheel, help for different size guys. And then it also does telescope up and down. Once again, different size people, different needs. The seat, as I said, air ride, adjust forward and backward. You can swivel it. Makes it nice running that implement off the right side like normal. You can kind of twist it around, makes it a little nicer during the day. So another nice feature on these Global Series tractors, we have a preset engine RPM here. This is nice for PTO operation, like a round baler where you need to be up at PTO speed and then drop it to idle to drop a bale or something like that. You can preset this to your PTO speed, set your hand throttle where you want it to be, and you just toggle back and forth, PTO speed to idle speed. It's pretty handy, a lot of people forget about. 2 remote standard. You can throw another one in there if you have another need for another 3rd hydraulic. Push button 4-wheel drive, push button differential lock. It's nice, comfortable. There's plenty of room in here. Plenty of visibility. There's a lot of visibility in this cab. So here on this right-hand pillar, we've got our ignition switch. Operate the tractor, start the tractor. Up above that, we're gonna have our draft control sensitivity. So that's just so you can, if you have a ground engaging implement, runs off 3-point, that's how you can adjust how much input it takes in order for the draft control to respond. We've got our rear wiper and our work lights here as well. Up above that, our HVAC controls. That's where our radio goes. Down here, we've got our power takeoff controls. So pretty simple, you push on the yellow button, rock it forward is gonna turn your PTO on. Pull it back 1 position is going to turn your PTO off. Go back all the way is going to be like a PTO stationary brake. It's not going to stop your PTO, but if you're going down the road or something, it'll stop it from spinning from that peristatic drag. So this is our loader control. Pretty basic. You pull it back to go up, forward to go down, down and forward all the way is going to put you in float. Side to side is going to do your dump and curl. These cab tractors, Global Series, are pre-wired for a 3rd function. On the front side, you've got a push button for your 3rd function. So the tractor is pre-wired for a 3rd function. We just need to add it to the loader, and you would just push the button, and that momentarily takes the fluid away from your dump curl cylinders and throws it to your bail grab or grapple open close cylinders. Also, there is the toggle for the soft ride. So down here we've got our on off, and that's, you can turn that on so when you're going down the road or across the field, it'll help kind of float the loader a little bit, give you a little better ride. So on our steering column, we've got this is our handle for the tilt, and then if we pull it back, that's going to telescope. We've got our power shuttle control lever, forward and reverse. We've also got a sensitivity knob for that to change how aggressive your shuttle forward to reverse is. Blinkers, wipers, horn on this side. If we get down on the bottom, we've got our lights and hazards, and then our switches to scroll through the screen on the dash. So a few other things to highlight. Ground level fueling. You got a nice big fuel tank here, nice big fuel cap, fueling out of a jug or a fuel pump, easy to get to. Another thing customers like are all the lights we got on this tractor. So we've got our mid-mounted lights here and our upper work lights that we can adjust. We can spin them around, point them where we want to go. Gives a lot of light in the front for those late nights. And then we've got our upper work lights in the back. So same thing, we can change these, change the angle we want them at, get some nice bright light in the back. We've also got some nice big mirrors. It's not all that common on these smaller 70, 80, 90 horse tractors. That's a nice big mirror that's adjustable. Forward, backward, it telescopes in and out. So you can really get some good coverage of the mirror there. So thanks for watching our video today on the Massey Ferguson 4707 series tractor. Hopefully we answered some questions. If you have any more questions, you can always contact us and we'll, make sure we get your questions answered. Just to kind of sum up, 4707, one of our favorite tractors here at the dealership. We have no DPF, which is no burn off. There's no DEF, so you don't have to add fluid to meet emissions. This is just a run it and drive it kind of tractor, about as base as you're gonna get here in 2025. Just a good powerhouse, got a good size engine, good amount of torque, can get a lot of stuff done with this. It weighs good amount of weight to it. Nice heavy loader, plenty of options we can do with it. You get a lot of big tractor features with those radial tires, the power shuttle transmission, the air ride swivel seat, all that stuff in a nice compact size, handy to have around the farm. Thanks for joining us today, watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to email, call, get a hold of us. Our website, www.bigboystoysllc.net.